Hi ladies, Kristen here. Hope you're all well this Tuesday afternoon. I've had some requests of late from ladies wanting to know more about how to do a fundraiser. So I thought I'd throw together a little screen-o-matic presentation. So what you can see on the screen is our current fundraiser catalogue. It's available to be ordered from the Park Lane Rebels supply site. Just so that you know, it's this size. It's a gloss brochure, and you can turn the pages just like a book. Now, it's really important that you understand from the word go that the only jewellery you can offer people via the fundraiser scheme is the jewellery in the fundraiser catalogue. Okay, great. Moving right along. Now, first things first. So you found an organisation that you want to do a fundraiser with. You've teamed together. You've got their details. So what you need to do next is you must submit an application form to the franchise. Now, the application forms are available. I've saved them in the files section of the Blingbase page. So if you just fill that out, fill it in, and then email it into the franchise at admin@parklanerebels.com, and they'll get back to you pretty quickly. So just for reference, that's what the fundraiser form looks like. Okay, next we need to understand how it actually works, who gets paid what money. So I've put an example together. Say that I was doing a fundraiser for Cancer Council. Now, sales from the fundraiser were $1,000 net and non. Now, as we say, with a fundraiser, 50% of all sales goes to the charity. So in this case, Cancer Council gets $500 deposited into their nominated account by the franchise. Now, this doesn't get deposited until the party has been entered into the system and the relevant order week has ended. So if the order week ends on a Tuesday night, you would be getting your commissions on a Wednesday. That's exactly how it works for a fundraiser. If the order is submitted on a week and then the closing day is the Tuesday and it's submitted, the charity gets paid the next day, the same as you with commission. Now, the remaining $500, which is the remaining 50%, this goes to you, the fashion director, and it goes to you at the percentage of your current rank. So if you're a fashion director, you get 30% commission on your sales. 30% commissions on the $500 is $150. So you'll get paid the $150 commission. But really exciting here, if you're going for a trip, fundraisers are definitely the way to go. Because in this case, you will get 100% of the sales towards trip qualifications. So in this case, with the Cancer Council, $1,000 net and non in sales, you get $1,000 net and non towards a trip. Okay, just excuse me while I swap screens and move things around. Okay, so how do you create the fundraiser in the Park Lane system? Okay, so this is my back office. To get to the fundraisers, you go to Field Interface. You'll see Fundraiser there. You just simply click on it. Okay, so we want to add a new event. You can see that I've done a fundraiser before for myself. I've done quite a few for other ladies as well. So you just click on Add New Event, and it comes up. Okay, so we're just going to fill in details here. Cancer Council. We're going to do it on the 11th. We're going to leave it open for an entire week because that way the organisation gets the chance to chase up outside orders. It's a really good way to get the additional orders flowing. We're going to set a goal of $2,000. And here you'd write a really lovely spiel about, support Cancer Council. Oh, I can't spell. But something a little bit motivational. If you're stuck for what to write, ask around. I'm more than happy to help. Now, what you can also do here is that you can actually use a fundraiser logo. Now, I did download Cancer Council. So if I go in, just excuse me while I find it. You get to see all my files. There we go. just bopping away in my office. Okay, so there we go. The files, the Cancer Council logos come up. Now, it's really handy to do that because there is a way at the end of this, Cancer, but we'll keep filling it out for now. We'll say they... So you've got to have all their details. Really important that you've worked with them. Nope. Grafton, New South Wales. Now, see where it says organisation tax ID number? Just ignore that. Remember, this site was initially made just for the USA. We're using it now. The organisation's tax ID number is not relevant to us. So we're going to say that Bob is getting the jury. 2460. Grafton, New South Wales. Anyone wants to know the franchise number? That's it on your screen now. Okay, now see here where it's got this link. If you highlight that, I'll open a Facebook page so you can see. Okay, let's move this up. Now I copied that link. If I drop it there, wait for it to come up. It actually is a link directly to that fundraiser. Now, once you've got that bit to come up at the bottom, I always then remove that because you don't need to see the URL link, but that's there. And then you can just have a really nice spiel and you can take your fundraiser online. Okay, so let's go back to here. Okay, so we've entered all the details. I'm going to click Save. Okay, and the fundraiser is created, and right now we're in the customer details where you can start adding your customer details for individual customers that do sales. Now, I know from the franchise you can actually get a fundraiser order form. It's a group order form, so everybody's name is on one sheet. Some people don't like that. I personally don't. I think customers like a little bit of privacy. So if anyone's interested, I do have a file that I can share with you, and it's actually just something that I put together that's an individual order form for fundraisers. So that's it. So you've entered all their details. You can see that there. It's the same as like the Parkland normal system. You can put in the jury. If you put in jury that's not in the fundraiser catalogue, guess what? It won't come up. It will say it's not available. So it's pretty straightforward. Now, the other thing you need to be advised of is shipping. Now, this is from memory. I'm pretty sure if your fundraiser is over $700, then shipping is free. If it's under there is a shipping charge. I'll actually just drop it in comments how much it is at the moment because I think it could have changed. And I can't for the life of me remember it off the top of my head. So anyway, ladies, I hope that has helped. If anyone is wanting to do a fundraiser and wants to just chat, anything like that, I'm more than happy to chat. Yes, I have done some fundraisers. There's a few little things that I do that are probably different to other ladies. For instance, I always wear something from the main catalogue when I'm doing a fundraiser because ladies ask about it, and then oh, no, I'm not supposed to talk about this. We have a mainstream catalogue. If you're actually interested in doing a party, we can talk about it afterwards, but we've got to do it on the hush because we're doing this tonight and it's such a great cause. So there's little things like that that you can do as well. So I hope that helps. If anyone wants to know more information, as I said, just shoot me a private message. Happy to help. Bye.